Hey everyone, welcome back to Phonics. We are on lesson 127 today. So on Friday, we'll have spelling list 25, a test on spelling list 25. So today, do one of these practice pages, one of these, okay, with all the spelling words, and you practice those. Ooh. And then with spelling tests on Friday, you'll also have a phonics test. So it'll be on lessons 126 and 127. We did 126 Monday, and today we're doing 127. There's no sight words, so don't worry about those, but you can practice your old ones. That'd be a great review. So let's go ahead and let's get started with today. Today we're looking at prefixes. So I want us to talk about what a prefix is first. We know a suffix comes at the end of the word and it changes the meaning of the word. So if it's a prefix, it comes at the beginning and it also changes that root word's meaning. So we need to think about what prefixes we can find in the words I have written on the board, okay? And we're going to find out what they mean as well. So unhappy, unfold. If I'm unhappy, how do I feel? I'm not what? I'm not happy. If I unfold a t-shirt, am I making it look nice and neat? No, it's folded up and I'm not folding it. I'm taking it and making it messy. So I'm not folding it and I'm not happy. So when it comes to making words, means not or the opposite of that word, right? Because if I say I'm unhappy, I'm the opposite of happy. I'm sad or I'm angry. I'm not happy though. Okay, what if I say, so that would be, you would box out un and un. Those are our prefixes right there. What about dislike and distrust? If I dislike Brussels sprouts, am I going to have them every night for dinner? No, because I do not like them. So dislike, that means I do not like them. What if I distrust someone? If I say I distrust that man who made that promise, am I going to believe him? No, because I do not trust him. So we've decided, is the same and dislike and distrust. It's our prefix, so we box it out. And does that mean what? If I dislike something, I do not, again that word not, I don't like it. And it's also the opposite. Okay, so if you have dis in front of a word, that prefix makes that root word mean the opposite of or not. So it changes that root word's meaning. Incorrect. Incorrect. Insecure. They both have prefix in. If I cover that up, I have correct, and then I have secure. So he is correct. That means he's right. He is incorrect. That means he's what? Not, that word again, not correct. What if he had said, that nail is secure in the wall. The wall's sturdy, it's good. What if I say, that nail is insecure in the wall? Is the wall gonna fall down? Probably. So is it secure? No, it's the opposite. It's not secure. Look at all these meanings. Un, not, the opposite. Dis, not, the opposite. In, not the opposite. So all these prefixes mean the same thing when put it with a root word. So we need to realize that un, dis, and in are all prefixes that make the word change to mean not or the opposite of, okay? So let's look at our worksheet. We're gonna get out our worksheet. Y'all know I have to move stuff around right now. So get out 127, have it ready, and we are going to look at the worksheet together, okay? Y'all probably just saw my socks. I don't have any shoes on right now. Okay. got it all set up. So it says, what do all of these words have? Oh, I'm trying to make it straight. Here, let's look. Okay, good. What do all these words have in common? It says unhappy, unfold, unwrap. They all have un in the front, which is a prefix. And how do we code a prefix? We box it. So I can go ahead and box those two letters, un, that mean un, and which mean not, and the opposite. If I'm unhappy, I am not happy. If I unfold something, I am not folding it. And if I unwrap myself from a blanket, I'm getting out. I'm not wrapping myself up, right? What are those letters? Good. UN mean? Well, Miss Stimson just told us. They mean not or the opposite of. So the opposite of fold is to not fold. So it's the opposite. So you just write not or opposite of. Remember, if we're going too fast, pause the video and then play it when you're ready. Box the prefixes in these words. Let's read this column together. Dislike, distrust, disagree. Let's now read these. Incorrect, insane, insecure. Why don't y'all take a minute, pause the video, box in all the prefixes, and then play it when you're finished. Okay, if you're listening to this now, you've unpaused the video, you've already completed this, so we're gonna do it together. Dislike, distrust, disagree. If I take out the DIS in all of these words, I have root words, like, trust, agree. So DIS or dis is going to be our prefix in each of those words. Over here we have incorrect, insane, insecure. I put my marker on top of the IN, and I have correct, sane, and secure. Those are also root words, so we know that IN is indeed our prefix. Oh, I got a little bit on the S. Hey, let me clean that up a little bit. There we go. Now at the bottom, what do you think the prefix DIS, dis, mean? What do you think that prefix means? Dislike, distrust, disagree. Do you like something if you dislike it? Actually, you don't like it, so it means not. Or if I distrust someone, I have a lack of what? Trust. So a lack of, or you can put the opposite. Okay, the opposite of, that's what I wrote. Not, lack of, and opposite of. What do you think the prefix in means? If I'm incorrect, am I correct? No, so you're not. Or if I'm insane or insecure, you're without it. So these are just different ways to put the same meaning. Without is without sanity. If I'm insane, I'm not, sane means to be like with it. You've got it together, you're not crazy. So if you're insane, you're crazy. You don't have it together. So you're without sanity, okay? So IN means not or without, and DIS means not or lack of or opposite of, which they all pretty much mean the opposite of or not, okay? Good job, guys. We just went over UN, I'm up here writing it, UN, DIS, and IN. The prefixes UN, DIS, and IN. They all mean not, without, or the opposite of, okay? Great job today, guys. Make sure you study your spelling words and you look over lessons 126 and 127. Have a great day.